feel the breeze, I see the river, everything's just right. Yeah.
Ah, that hits the spot. Almost there. Okay. Now that's 2 bags down. Just a couple more. Time to get organized. Looks like a perfect spot. All right, got the tent and the poles. Ah, found it. Here's the yoga mat and the supplies. Perfect. This is exactly what I was looking for. Now for some yoga. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's good. I think we should pack up. That storm looks really bad. Yeah, grab the gear, quickly. Come on, come on, come on! Hurry up! We don't have much time. I need the poles. Come on, come on! Ugh. Almost got it. Hurry, it's getting closer. The storm is right on top of us. We need to get in the Jeep now. Almost there. Keep it up. Come on, stay. Just one more. Almost there. Okay, next one. Yes, finally, some dry wood. This should be enough. Almost there. Heavy, heavy. Finally. Oh. All right, there, it's catching.
Finally.
Just needed a little dry tinder. Perfect for the soup. Just what we need. Smells delicious. Needs just a bit more salt. Smells incredible. I think it's finally this is delicious. So warm and perfect for tonight.
Time well spent.
Good morning. What a beautiful view. Time to get up. Time to pack this up. Yes, the morning light is beautiful. I can hear the river out there. Such a peaceful start to the day. All right, sleeping bag's done. Done? Good.
Now the car can get.
Almost finished. This feels so organized. Almost there. Perfect. Now, all right, tents in. Next is the sleeping bag. This cooking gear fits just right. Almost done. Let's load the Jeep. All right, time to hit the road. It was a beautiful trip. All right, time to go.